Ron Juckham here, Watson Supply, finishing up our massive 2,400 square foot Unilock display. For our new display here at Watson Supply, we've chosen Perma Edge. With a clean stone installation, it is a preferred choice. It eliminates plastic edging and metal spikes. With Perma Edge, it's 1 gallon of water per 80 pounds of material. As you can see, he's pouring the water in directly into the bucket, and then you just mix it around with a shovel or a hoe. Pat is applying about a 4-inch coat of the Perma Edge. You want to bring it up about a third to halfway up the paver. You're going to get roughly 16 to 20 feet of edging per bucket. As you can see, after 24 hours, the Perma Edge we installed yesterday, hard as a rock.